Right, welcome back. So now I'm halfway through the drill bit box, so if that's out, go check it out. If not, coming soon. I'll show you down there in a minute. I'm just tidying up the workshop. I've got quite a few cans, aerosols, paint, blah blah blah. So we're going to make a sliding rack. And I'm going to try to keep this simple. I won't route her out for the runners. I'll try to keep it limited with tools just so anyone can make it. It shouldn't be difficult, so it's probably going to go wrong there. I'll show you guys what I've got. I've got this space and you can see I've got cans and cans and cans, but it's a bit wasted at the back. I've also got a few other bits, so let's start. First thing I'm going to start with is see how much space I do have. Right, so you can see I've got some scraps here. These I'll rip in half. That will be the sides. This is definitely a scrap. This will do the bottom and then the dividers on the top. And I had these laying around already, but cheap runners. I'd like to tell you how much you can pick them up for. A couple quid, I'd say. Hardware store, eBay, Amazon. Let's go. Alright, just going to put some pilot holes in now. Otherwise the ply will crack. Just about, so I'll put a front and back. This will do.